Ever snapped a photo and realized something just feels a euro off? Today, I'm going to show you how to flip your images horizontally on your Nikon Z30, both while shooting and after you've already taken the picture, giving you creative control and fixing perspective problems. Let's start with flipping your image while you're shooting. While this camera doesn't offer a built-in mirror image function during live view, understanding composition is key. Pay close attention to your subject's placement within the frame. Visualize the mirrored version in your head as you compose the shot. Think about how the elements would look flipped. This will help you frame the image in a way that allows for easy mirroring in post-processing. Now, let's look at flipping images after you shot them. Press the playback button to view your images. Navigate to the image you want to flip, then press the menu button. Scroll through the options until you find Retouch. Select it. In the Retouch menu, you won't find a direct flip function. However, the best way is to transfer it to a device such as your phone or laptop and edit with other post-editing softwares. Most mobile photo editing apps, like Snapseed or Adobe Lightroom Mobile, offer a simple horizontal flip or mirror tool. Just import your image, find the rotate or transform options, and select the horizontal flip. And that's it. You've successfully flipped your image. Using these techniques gives you greater creative control and allows you to easily correct perspective issues, resulting in visually balanced and appealing photographs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Nikon Z30 tips and tricks.